Finally, you made it. You found us. We are your new place for wisdom to become the king you are meant to be. We have been waiting on you so we can help you get through your pain and get to your true self. Your heart breaks and your shortcomings all have answers, and we have them to share with you. No more wondering how you can become a better version of yourself. No more wondering how you let go of the pain or suffering mentally because you don't know what to do next. Well, you're in luck. Here we will help you, guide you in the right direction on your path to becoming a true and well-desired king. You want a better life? You want the respect you deserve? Do want to drive the car of your dreams? We will break down step by step how to get through your bad times to accomplish everything you want for your good times. If you feel as if you already are a king, then we are not here for you. We want those who seek more from their kingdom, those who know they have more potential, but don't know how to unlock it. Before we begin, please remember one thing. You are here because God sent you here for help. This is no accident. We will be here every day, covering all topics to help you become the king that you aim to be. Now, enough wasted time. Let's begin. Start with this list of 10 laws kings must remember. 1. A king will experience a lot of bad before anything comes good. Do you think your way to the top is supposed to be easy? If so, please leave this video now. We are not for you and you are not one of us. Second, a real king doesn't want to control people. He wants the best for all people. Wish no one to lose on, and you will always become victorious. Third, a king serves the people. Find a way to be of service to God's people, and your kingdom will grow rapidly. Fourth, a real king is fair and honest. Lies are the worst energy you can put out. No good ever comes from dishonesty. Fifth, don't waste time. Every second is another second you are alive. Make it count. Sixth, kings hide nothing from those he serves, whether people are watching or not. He is whom he say he is. Seventh, there is no kings without the right queen. The key is to find the right queen that adds power to you, not take away from you. Eighth, be prepared for others to come to you for help. You are a king. People need you. Ninth, you must be in godlike shape. 10th, apply the 9th step over and over. That's all for now. You're welcome.